Good morning, guys. Good morning. If you're new here, hi, my name is Chevelle. You can call me Chev. Welcome to That's So Chev. I called hubby this morning, right? I just haven't been feeling well mentally. This morning was one of those days that I felt like I was crashing. I felt like I was crashing. I called hubby and I told him, and he was like, "Get ready. I'm gonna carry you outside. Carry you, get something to eat." After I called him, I started praying and I started, handing over to the Lord and letting the Lord know how I feel, even though he already knows how I feel. And I've been feeling better, but hubby's still gonna come for me and stuff. But I started the vlog this way because we all know life doesn't look the same all the time. Every day doesn't start bright and chirpy and everything. So I'm gonna start getting ready now. I'm also not feeling getting ready mood because I just feel like I look very, very not so good right now. But listening to our favorite song, perfect tonight.
Say hi, baby. You want to let out your hair?
Yes, I know. That is good up my shoe.
You curly already. You're a pretty girl, and you know that? Get your scene, your views. So look at your view. It's peaceful.
Although the water doesn't be cold.
To me, I'm hot, so I don't mind the cold water, to be honest. You're beautiful, though.
Thank you. Now you're drunk. You know that's how they get the last one?
Yep. Come on, tell me at least. What Jamie would I say? Hi guys. So.
Hi guys. So.
You are my sunshine. You are my
Guys, it has been a really relaxing day, a really relaxing drive. Yeah, it's just been really relaxing. I'm not really interested in going in the water, but yeah. Whoa, day is cold. Day is cold. No, you're hot. Remember I said me day inside 24/7 wait cool.
Feels like the first time. Throw away all my pride. Don't wanna say I love you first, but holding it in just might make me burst. Love in the open, daydreaming, hoping, melting in our make-believe new worlds. Whispering winds bring the remembrance that you're my girl. No shame, no games. I wanna fall in love, fall in love. I'll be your savage, I'll be your baddest. Or do you like sweet caramel honey dipped? I'm yours till the beat flips. Don't let it slip. Give up my power. Yes, afraid to lose each other. Counting the hours till I see you again. Could you be life, lover, and best friend? Waiting for text back, wondering where you at, or who could you be with? No, I'm not possessive, but you're mine. Okay, I'ma let you live, no shame, no shame, no guilt.
I started this trip very out of it, but ending it very beautifully. Hubby wanted me to go on the jet ski, but I don't feel like it. And when you just don't feel like it, don't push it. So I tell him to make it stay. But it has been an amazingly beautiful day. My camera's dying. I didn't carry the battery pack with me. So if my camera dies, I will talk to you guys later. Home. That may zoom in a little bit. Alright, so I didn't get a chance to show you guys Lauren. I did get a chance to show you guys the flowers that hubby bought me today. So that's the flowers. I'm also trying to do a TikTok while I'm talking to you guys. But today was a really, really good day. Hold on, I forgot scissors. It was a really, really good day, and I just want to say thank you to my man. Thank you to my wonderful and amazing husband. For just answering my call as he always does, and just instead of saying babe, just giving me some foolish advice or just say be strong, everything's gonna be okay. He just said put on your clothes and come out of the house. And then he asked me if going forward, if I just want to go to work with him. This one doesn't want to cut. So I got double up these scissors now. Alright. So he asked me going forward if I want to go to work with him sometimes, and sometimes that's not gonna work because sometimes I have calls, which he knows already. I have calls that I have to make for my boss, and then being on the road is a little bit too noisy and stuff like that. So he's like, yeah, I understand. So I don't know, because the thing is, being in the house all the time, for me, it doesn't do me well at all. I'm very much used to being outside. I'm very much used to the sun. I'm very much used to, people. And now, which I don't mind. If I can be honest, I don't mind, because this is something that I've always dreamed about, and I'll talk about it on TikTok as well. I always wanted to work from home. Always. I always said that's why you must be careful what you ask for. I always said I wanted a job where I can work from home, where I can raise my kids and stuff like that. And here I am doing exactly just that. That's why I'm not even gonna complain about it. I'm just going to just do what I have to do and then go from there. So when you get roses, you twist them to open the rose buds. So you twist them to open the rose buds. But yeah, it was a really fun day. Hubby says that this was something that we were supposed to do over the weekend. He had already planned for us to do it over the weekend, but when I called him, he said he did not like how I sounded. So he just said, okay, let's do it today. So everything that we did today, he wanted to do over the weekend. But I appreciate him for just even trying. Oh my God. I appreciate him for trying, and I appreciate him for listening to me and answering me. And I just think a lot more females just need something like that. A lot more females just need a man who is going to listen, a man who is going to help instead of, tell me what you feel and etc. etc. So, yeah. These are really, really tight. Ooh, this one opened right up. This one opened right up. I'm probably gonna put this in the middle. Hubby said these, so she said, babe, these are probably one of the most expensive flowers that I've ever bought you. He knows this is my little element. I love these things. Flowers, I love me some flowers.